first moment we looked to the stars, we felt the call of something greater. A quiet yearning to rise, to explore, and to be more. On this 4th of July, beneath a sky surrounded by light and wonder, we gather to honor the spirit that defines us. A spirit of hope, of courage, and the American dream. Freedom is not just a word. It is a spark that ignites a fire in our soul that compels us to discover, to build, and to stand boldly in the face of the unknown. Tonight, we celebrate that journey, the adventure of a lifetime, that boundless spirit that burns bright in us all. So lift your eyes. Let that celestial spark remind us we are free. The glow of this starlit night, we stand together. Each of us holds a spark that makes this nation forever bold, endlessly beautiful, and eternally brave. As you leave here tonight, we hope you take with you the exhilarating message of adventure and freedom. Thank you for celebrating your 4th of July here with us at Universal Epic Universe.